All right, guys, we got the Whitebite Pro, and I am excited as well as you should be excited. We're going to actually use it here, but before we do it, let's go ahead and take a quick look at it. So, Whitebite Pro, this is the kit. I was going to read the wrong version of that. Let me turn it around. This is a wireless rechargeable teeth whitening kit. As you can tell, it's got another language on the back that I do not read. It says 100% whiter teeth on there. It does have little paint pens that come along with it, some warnings, and the package includes one of these bad boys, the accelerator light with mouth tray. We have 3 whitening pens, a desensitizing gel pen, a USB charging cable, a whitening shade guide right here, and a manual. Now, this is about a 15-16 minute process, so keep in mind it's going to take a minute to get through, so we're going to be working it here and make sure that we have it right. All right, so figured it out. We have the teeth whitening pen right here. So it says brush and dry your teeth before use. Wash and dry the mouth tray. We've already done that. Record your current teeth shade using the whitening shade guide. My wife says I'm a 7. Okay, better than a 6. And, well, maybe I'll be a 10 after this.
I don't think you want to be a 10.
I'm just kidding. You don't want to be a 10. A 1's the right. I'm not her number 1, though. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so it says to dispense the whitening gel, twist the bottom of the pen. So we're going to pop that off, and we're going to twist the bottom of the pen just a wee bit, and it's going to start dispensing it. Okay, I don't know if it's coming out here. So until gel flows. So we're going to twist to the right until the gel flows. Okay, there we go. Now we're cooking. Okay, so I can see it starting to come down here, which is super important. And then the gel is going to start flowing here in just a second. And it's best if you do it pointing downward. It also says on the first go, you may have to do it a little bit more. Then you're going to take and you're going to paint this on your teeth. I need a painter. Beth, come here. Help me paint. She's going to get a kick out of this.
I can be very precise.
Oh, all right. Gel's coming. So paint my teeth.
Oh, okay. Everywhere? Oh. It's like paint by number. By a lot? Like,
He need to get her. Okay.
At the bottom? Oh, get more. I couldn't understand that.
All right, Okay. That's good.
Okay.
You're gonna take this?
You're gonna take this, yep. And he's gonna put it in his mouth. He's gonna probably turn the on button on. All right, so it looks like he's gonna put it in his mouth, press the on button, which is gonna turn the light on. So, looking at the camera,
what's the on?
Right. There we go. Okay, so then it's gonna be a 16-minute timer treatment. So, in 16 minutes, we'll come back and we will show you. Oh, it's gonna be 16 minutes. All automatically. Okay, cool. All right, so we'll check it out.